our website. This website really explains with little simple, information. And so here it says who we are. So you could, always, see that it's a flexible mobile app platform, helps mid-sized companies to roll out enterprise-grade rich mobile applications with only web development skills without complex iOS or Android code development. And then you see here two icons. It means now we will create one app right away, and then from your mobile device, your mobile phone, you could install. We will install. It's good to have to understand what we delivered, because it's a really important point. And you will see your first app. And those are what we provide. We give rapid app development environments with the editor and more, actually, you will see. And we say we run on cloud, but we could give also on-premise now. I don't know later, but we have ability now. And deploy and manage. So like there are some, similar, programs. They say mobile app platform. So people confuse because some of them, have some simple templates for small business, really specific, like restaurant app or I don't know, anything like small business related. Or we have, as you know, SAP mobile platform. And so we are not one of them. Actually, we are, taking from, one web developer editor to like SAP platform. So we are, giving all enterprise features as SAP to all businesses. So we are giving opportunity to use mobile apps with APIs, with web knowledge. And here, those different, differentiators, our competitors don't have. So this is like built-in generic client right here. And I will, show. And this is hot development. It means in 60 seconds it updates. And version management, because, they could go back, 10 version we supply now. And here we give authorization, authentication, and developer user management. Also, we follow up devices, authentication. And here we say as a strategy, we say that no vendor lock-in. It means, like SAP and like other guys just say, come on and use our service, but you could not change their, server. But with us, we say, okay, you are free to go if you like, or we are using very common technologies. Also, even they could change the developer. And here, we are giving more information. And if someone knows web, stuff and mobile, they could probably understand more. But, here I could give you some, information, like any, mobile, app might need camera, geolocation, vibration, contacts, those features are also available with our clients. So we are not only like a web, so here, I need to show for enterprise, customers, they will probably would like to learn what's our infrastructure. So we say here we are using TLS as a communication. So it's actually used by Facebook. And here we say we support, SAP connection and also APIs like RESTful services and SWAP as well. And we are giving LDAP integration. Also here, the technology OSGI means it's distributed system and so it's modular architecture. So if something is, not working, all system is working. So you will see, like, even you change the authorization, you don't need to compile again. App will work. It's so distributed and separated. And here we are, giving more information. And this is our sign up, page. Actually, when you try sign up, you will get those plans. And actually, it's a starting point. What we think is starting point with 1 month free, and then they will have a chance to use us, and then later they would like to get their own private instance. But we are giving them a chance with a sign up page without any installation. Right away they could start use us. So here what we have this is sign up page, but we are testing, and like 1 in 10 have problems now. We are trying to understand. So in sign up page, like here, you just write your company name and email. So it creates you a user. Like here, I could show. Okay. So like this. So and then you say, okay, go to developer site. It goes, again, developer livomobile.com. What I showed you here. So actually, this is gives your sign up management. It gives you more idea. So what they pay, $90 for monthly subscription, and they have up to 3 apps. They have 1 developer here. Yearly package, annually they pay upfront for a year, and they have a 10 developer, right? So basically the idea is they could scale with this. So after 50K API call, they need to pay more, each 10K $1. If they want 1 more developer other than these packages, $40, and additional after 3 or 10 app, they need to pay $5 for a month. So those stuff, like, to scale the business. Now I will use. Okay.
Can I ask you? So once you develop the app, how many users can access the application?
There is no limit. There is no limit. So here I will get in system with admin. If they have private instance, they could have their own admin developer, but with sign up page, they just only have their own limited access without admin rights. I forgot the password, but let's do that with admin, and I will create for you another developer. Like here, we will. Oh, okay. We already have Luceo. Probably I showed before. I put 1 to 8. I don't remember the password. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have Luceo, and now let me create 1 developer. So Tracy and Mooney. Like this, and your email address here. Okay. Here. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we created a new developer, but it's, you should know that you should not use the same email address, and because we created here manually, hopefully you will not have monthly limit. It's also good. Okay, now as you see, so you could not create a company or new developer. So it's limited, features, but you could have your own mobile app. So from the scratch, we could create you an app, name it, Luceo PC, and name it like HR. So maybe it should be easier. I don't know, Luceo 1 to keep it simple always. We then forget what we did. So all small letters to make it simple, and it should be at least characters. That's why we put 1 Luceo, and then here just description. Now we say, hey guys, you used to use your own web editor, and probably they are used to it, and they have some templates. Maybe they could easily change. So we give them a chance to use their editor, and then they could upload with a zip file what they have. This is the first choice. And then secondly, they have here AngularJS. So in web people, it's common now AngularJS, and jQuery is really also basic, and it's actually HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. And here freeform. Freeform means it will be empty, editor, and they will start from scratch. We have a video how to make Ionic template also with freeform. Here we will use one template to make you an app right away, because we have less time to make it happen. So now your app is ready with this template with different devices, how it looks like, and we will put some personal stuff to recognize. And is it right? And please. Okay. Now I will say save and deploy. Okay. Are you there, Tracy?
Yeah, I'm here. I just have myself on mute so I don't make any noise.
Okay. So here we created, and here I put your name, and I put buttons here, and I put St. Louis and Los Angeles. Okay. So here I said save and deploy. So now we have your own app, first version, and we could see here settings about this app. So owner of this app is Tracy Mooney, who is the developer. So later on you could change Tracy Mooney to someone else. So basically admin could see all this stuff. Also only Tracy Mooney could see their own mobile app. And here we say anyone could run this app. So we don't have any authorization management right now as an initial setting. But later on, what we could say, I will show how to make it. You could say, okay, I need to know, they should have company passwords if they would like to use this app. So something like more intranet, maybe like shuttle service, or what is in lunch, or what is the holiday time for the company, or something, an app that just on company password is okay. Or you could say, I want to use the custom groups. So like it could be vendor, supplier, or employee, and make a group of people, and only those people could use this app. You could assign. Or you could say LDAP. LDAP have all Active Directory, users. You could assign who could use this app. So different groups, maybe, or maybe one group. And you might ask custom in a group with company code, like you need 2 passwords to get in to use. So now we put any. I will do it later. And then deployment. Now we said save and deploy once. And this is the splash screen and app icons. Even we have here, I will show generic icon. It will come with Livo icon. We will do it with you now. But later, company might ask their own generic icon, like what we did here. They could, make their own, but they need to upload their, different size icons. We will wrap them for them, and we will charge like $100 for each wrapping. And this is a push notification. So they could assign push notification, and then later they could have a right to send, them push notification, like there's a storm coming or something, early holiday, so something good, and then they could send them with info or other different, format, and then this will go all the mobile app users.
So can that be configured to be automated based on events?
Actually, it could be done, but it needs coding. It could be, it could be, but it needs, so it's like just like a function. This, so at the back we have a function to make it. So here,
like if I want to create an order, they could get a notification that you now have an order.
oh yeah, sure, yeah. So it really makes sense, yeah. So here, this is the mobile technology. So here, now, which type of mobile device you have now in hand?
Who, me? I have an Apple.
Okay, so which version? iPhone?
iPhone 6s.
Oh, it's good. So now, just open your iPhone now, close all the apps, and just
Well,
from the memory, it's better to clean. I mean, not delete all the apps, just they should not be running at the back because of the memory. We advise it because I don't know.
Okay,
And
so
now,
everything's closed.
and then now, which browser you have? Safari or Chrome?
Safari.
Okay, just open Safari and go
Actually,
this
Chrome. I
page.
probably prefer using Chrome.
Yeah, livomobile.com, and you will see with tiny little screen, not like this, but again you will see this icon. You will click on it, and then I push now documentation and quick start to show you. Don't worry, you don't need to do that. So here you will have install button when you push it. Did you see that?
Well, I'm on Livomobile.com, but I don't. Oh, there we go. There's the Apple.
Yeah, just 3 steps. 1, to click this install. That's it. The second, I will say you.
So now I got an untrusted developer.
Yeah. And now from, so you said install, right?
I installed it, it's installed, and when I clicked on it, I got a message that says untrusted developer.
And now what you will do, you will go to settings,
Yeah.
and then profile and device management, or only device management. You will see Livo Corporation. You will say yes, trust. So this is the second step. I know you will have some questions here. I will explain you more. Don't worry.
Where do I go to?
In settings, general, settings, general device management, or profile and device management. General, under general. Settings, general.
I got it.
And then now you could open the screen from the, here, or just directly you could push the, screen of the icon, Livo icon, and then open settings, and then we will fill out this, like the server name and your app name.
Okay, so the host is
developer.livomobile.com.
okay, port.
A port, don't change it, but just write your app name as the ID Luceo1, Luceo1, like here, all the small letters.
Okay.
And just now, close it, go back from here, and then run it. It should be coming to your, screen. It's downloading now, probably.
Yep.
Okay. So now your first app is ready, and so fast, as you see. And now also I will show the second feature. With here, we did something. I will change little thing after you get the first, version, and then you will get the second, version, and then it will ask there's an update. You will say yes, and then you will see in a second the update, and only the delta will come. So this is the, second, feature what we mentioned here. Now we showed you the generic clients, and update clients immediately we will show up, and then version management I actually already showed you, but you will see how it works. And did you get the first app in your device?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm gonna do some little change to just to test, and here I will write Luceo with big letters, and then say save and deploy, and then you will see there's an update, blah blah, and then you will get it. So here, just say me when you get the update.
So I got it. Sorry, so hit update.
So here, now what we will do? We will do new custom group. So only you could see the app, not anyone, or anyone you would like to give option. Let me write, do you have any? Okay, you already have a Luceo group before. I don't know who is in, but so it's good to see you have a group. And now in group users, let me check. Okay, you have Alparslan, and there's one guy from another company, competitor in Turkey. But the it's okay. They are letting us use their demo system. It's good. So now I will create you a new client with your email. So now you have one developer user, but now we will create you one client user to get in the system. So it will be all the small letters. That's the difference. And same email address. And I will say, you say group. Okay. Now 3 people could see your app. We will assign like this. Now we have your app, and then we will say only this Lucia group could use the app. Okay. Now, as you see, I did not compile, save and deploy again. It just distributed. Now, just close your app and try to get in again. It will ask you your username, and then you will say, Tracy Mooney, all small letters, and 128.
Can you do Facebook authentication with this?
Yeah, we could do that.
Okay, I'm logging in.
So here, that's good. It's like a logic. How you could imagine it could be done for an SAP application like this. I will show you. And then here, let's see the mobile devices. I will write Luceo for Tracy. Okay. As you see, we get your device ID because you used your user, and as you see here, username. So we count the device ID. So now we could report, or like just think, it's stolen or missing, or the guy company, you don't want them to reach again. We just could delete it, So
right.
little MDM. So, but this is something just enough to manage. This is just the first version you could imagine for an enterprise solution. But what we say is for mid-sized companies. We don't want to make it complicated like SAP does. So just basically what it is enough, But later on we could adopt some features. But as you see, it's really useful. Here, LDAP integration, it means if they have an Active Directory, they could, connect, and then we could get all the group of people and then assign it. But this is just something that, we don't have a sample yet. We did not test it. I should be honest to you. So, but we did, so in first, project, maybe it will take maybe 2 weeks. I don't know. That's it. And maybe later on we will not
do is how to deploy this to users.
What? Yeah, just what you said?
Can you deploy this as an app on like the Google Play and iTunes?
Yeah, sure. So I think that was the question you will be asking. I said you will be asking something. This is generic client, but it helps us to just right away get your first app. But you don't need to use us always with this. So we have 4 choices. This is the first choice. The second choice, we will create a generic app with their logo, like just the company name might be whatever it is, and their logo. So they will here actually here they could upload their logo and splash screen with different size of devices, and then they will have this will be generic again. They need to write their server address and also device, not the device, app name, like this. Also, we will have the third option. It means for each app, like just a purchase order app, so they could have their own logo and splash screen. We will wrap for them. Or if they have the enterprise ID to get in App Store, we will assign, and they could put in App Store or Google Play. But in that case, we say it's different, cycle, because we cannot give any guarantee how long does it take to put in App Store, because Apple might change their policy, or one guy might say it's different, the other might say okay, so it's takes time. And usually B2B apps, usually it's not needed in App Store, just maybe 10% of them, like more B2C apps are in App Store, so they don't need to wait, so they could run on their own. Look, here we have SSL website, so they should have one SSL intranet place, and or any open place like us, with SSL, they could let people to download. And anyhow, they need to have their own user and password, as you see. So it's actually, we are trying to obey some barriers to make mobile apps, and right away they should have right to have their own mobile app and use it, change it, all the life cycle management. So here we have another feature, even we did not mention in our website because it should be very lead, but this is really important. Here I will show you, we have three choices. Like there are web services, RESTful or SOAP structure. RESTful means like here headers, operations, get, post, put, those are more technical, I know, and parameters and users who could use. So you
I get
give.
it. I used
Okay.
to manage web developers, so I.
Oh, great! That's wonderful. Maybe it's good. So now you could create your own service here, and then you will have standardized service here. You could use it repeatedly. You don't need to create again and again. So you could say use it in this app. So it's in SAP, it's like different structure, and in SAP you define the system parameters. So I will go now to admin panel. I will